Hi guys, today we are going to go through topic of Leetcode day 1 question, which is check array formation through concatenation. You are given an array of distinct integers ARR and an array of integer arrays pieces. Where the integers in pieces are distinct, your goal is to form ARR by concatenating the arrays in pieces in any order. However, you are not allowed to reorder the integers in each array pieces of index I. That means every array present in the array pieces that can't be that cannot be reordered within. There we'll return true if it is possible to form the array ARR from pieces, otherwise we'll return false. Let's look at the examples given. First, we are given with an array having element 85 and given pieces are a single array with a single element which is 85. Hence, it's possible to make a array 85 with element 85 using these pieces. Hence, we'll send true. If let's talk about example 2. Here we are given an array with elements 15 and 88 and pieces given are 88 and 55. So if we look at it carefully, these two are independent arrays which could be reordered. Hence, we'll pass through each of the element given here. First is 15 which is present here, yes. Okay, now we'll move to another element which is 88. Yeah, that is also present here and which could be placed after 15 as well. Hence, we will return with true. Talking about third example, first element is 49 which is present in the piece, but before that we are already having 16 and 18 which is not present in our potential array, which in our expected array. Hence, this this piece of array is not we won't be able to make it using given pieces, hence we'll return with false. Another example is first element is 91, which now we will go into pieces and look for it. Yeah, we are having 91. Okay, now next is 4, which is also present in pieces, which could be placed in our potential array. Next is 64, which is just after the 4. Okay, we don't need to reorder it. We can place this array as it is here in our potential array. Then after that we need 78, which is again present in the pieces, which could be placed here. So right, this is an array which is possible to make using all of these pieces. Hence, we'll return with true. Next is array with first element given is 1, which is not present in the pieces. Hence, we won't be able to make it. We'll return with false. So let's take an example thoroughly and try to understand how we will implement its solution. So let's talk about this question. Here we are having array elements 91, 4, 64, 78 and pieces are these. So here idea is to pass through each element in the array and check if it's present in the given pieces or not. If piece length is greater than 1, we'll check for it until the given piece exhausts. And another important point I would like to bring up here is we will be passing through each and every element present in the array and we'll be looking for it in the given pieces. So as we all know, map is the best data structure to look for an element in the database because it takes constant time to search for an element in the database. Hence, we will be making best use of it by using maps here. So this is the map data structure, we can say, and in the keys we will be storing the very first index of each and every array present here, which is in case of uh, here pieces, first index is 78. We'll keep it as a key and store all the elements present in the array as a value so that we can parse later times. Next, 4, we'll store 4 here and its corresponding array will be stored as values. For 91, we'll store it as key and rest array as 91 as a value here. Now we will, as I said before, we'll pass through each element in the array. For 91, so yeah, here 91 is there in the hash map. Hence, we can place this piece to make a potential array. Next, we'll check for 4. Yes, 4 is present in a hash map and also it's a array with length more than 1. So we need to check for other elements as well in the given array until its length exhausts. So next is 64. Yes, 64 is also present here. Next is 78, which is also present here. So we can say that this is possible to make. This array is possible to make with the help of all of these pieces. So for it, you can take a look into this code snippet I have provided for Java language. And if you find any queries or any doubts regarding it, you can comment that out in the comment box. Thank you so much.